I would like for us to think about something real quick. Let's say that you actually perfected the weight loss method and are following everything and every piece of advice to a T. Well, there is actually a harsh reality that might discourage you, but I want to reassure you that it is completely normal. So when we are trying to lose weight, people typically set a goal of about, let's say, maybe a duration of 1 to 2 or 3 months. You could be that one person who follows everything you've been told perfectly, but you get discouraged because you do not see results within a day or a week or even 2 or 3 weeks. And let me just tell you honestly that it takes quite a while to see results. So let's say your starting point is something like this, right? Super overweight, but you're also not super skinny. You're kind of like in between. When you start following weight loss advice, do not expect to go from looking like this to looking like this within a day or overnight or within a week, 2 weeks. No, for your body fat percentage to drop takes a significant amount of time. But that's not to say that when you are following some weight loss advice, fat is not coming off somewhere. So for example, me, almost always, whenever I start losing weight, the very first place I start to lose fat is on my face. I could have a skinny looking face, but on my belly area will just stay there for the longest time. And that is completely normal. So for me to actually, let's say, see my abs, it's gonna take me about 1.5 to 2 months, at best 3 months. Yeah, it seems a bit long, but it is very realistic. So for people to have an expectation of looking like the average person to looking lean and chiseled and definition everywhere, that takes much longer. With that said though, do not think that you are not losing fat proactively. If you are following everything perfectly, you are losing weight and you are losing fat, just not at the rate that you expect. Can it be a harsh reality? Perhaps. Depends on how you look at it. Point being, as long as you are losing the fat, don't get discouraged and just keep going. You will eventually visually see what you want to see in due time with the right amount of patience. But anyway, hopefully you guys learned something, and if you did, go ahead and let me know down in the comments below, or if you didn't, still go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And with that said, I will see you guys next time.